Good morning, Chris from Pi Performance on a bit of an overcast day, but it's not raining. Just a very quick whistle-stop tour before we move into our new building. Work is in progress, and we're just going to run you through very quickly about what you're going to see in the future. Come in. Excuse the noise. So the door you're now coming through is the entrance to our reception and coffee area and sales showroom. You can see we have a car in here that we're doing a bit of a teaser advert, so watch on social media and 911 World Magazine and Porsche Post that'll be coming soon. So down both sides will be our car sales. We are very privileged that some of our customers are going to be loaning us some lovely vehicles, so when we open our first week we will have an RS, our Porsche Cup car here on display, so feel free to come over. The area to my right, where you can see the guys working hard at brilliantly, is our coffee bar area. So there will be desks and meeting room, meeting tables there for you to come and have a cup of coffee, work while your car's being serviced, or on a Wednesday or a Saturday, just turn up for a coffee and enjoy the cars. To the left is going to be our open plan office, a bit more main dealer feel. So as you walk in, you'll be invited by us in an open plan area, just to give us a bit more of a customer service environment. We've got our new toilet blocks, which are females and males. We're having our brand new kitchen area here to facilitate you as customers, but also our staff. So obviously at the moment, blank canvas. We will be moving in the first week of June, so we're shut for the week of June. We will be answering phones as normal. But by the end of the first week, we should have this fitted out with all our ramps ready to go. And we're looking forward to opening up and welcoming people to the new Pi Performance in June. Watch social media for future events, and as many people have been asking, cars and coffees throughout the rest of 2024. Thanks for listening, and we look forward to seeing you soon.